So even having a little bit of an emo day, we're getting strong cases of stir craziness, and I decided this evening that I must bake because baking brings joy into our lives. And Dan's sister recently moved here to Toronto, and I am going to attempt to make a vegan banana bread. Now I know that I have previously made cooking and baking videos on here circa, 2019 Landmas and failed miserably. However, I have faith this time. I have prepared myself deeply for this moment, and this is a recipe that was posted by Ruby. If you don't follow Ruby on Instagram, she's amazing. I'll link her here. This is her vegan banana loaf recipe, and she posts it all the time, and I have saved it for so long. And today's the day. Boyana, vegan banana loaf coming at you. That's what we're doing today. But in true, quarantine self-care fashion, I am first going to apply some self-care products as well as make a cocktail, because that's just how these times be making me feel. So I'm going to administer my under eye patches because I have been playing Pokemon all day and my eyes are burning and I need some coolness. Peter Thomas Roth under eye gels forever. Totally grape water spray. Blessings. Oh my god, it feels like heaven. And then I'm gonna put on a mask. This is one that my sweet friend Ellie Mae brought back from me. She was in LA and she brought me this Dr. Barbara Sturm face mask. Oh, it feels like Jello. I'm just gonna put this on around my face where the eye patches are not. You know what? No, I know I lied. I need a mirror for this. All right, we are masked, we are prepped. Honestly, that made me feel like instantly more fabulous. Oh! Okay, for the cocktail, the grocery store was all out of ginger beer and it was very sad, so I'm making what I wanted to be a tequila Moscow Mule. But yeah, some tequila, just a splash. I've got some ginger ale, because there was no ginger beer. Okay, a sweet little squeeze of lime. Oh, that was a juicy one. And we are in the house, so I'm putting the lime right in there. A little metal straw. Et voila. Hey babe, did you want your coffee? Cheers. Alrighty then, so for the banana loaf, I'm gonna write the recipe here so that I don't have to talk through specific measurements as we go. But one thing I'm gonna do differently, this is something I'm trying. I always struggle so much mashing bananas in the bowl. So I just pulled out my cutting board and my masher, and I'm gonna mash the bananas on here first and then pour it into the bowl, and maybe then my life will be made easier. Let's see if it makes a difference. I've also been letting these bananas rot for so long. I feel like these are gonna be perfect. Oh, that is so much more delightful and easy and fast. Wow. Why have I never done this before? It's always been such a struggle. And when I say always, I also wanted to note that this is the vegan loaf, but if you're wanting to be terrible to your body, I actually did film 3.5 years ago my best, most crazy, terrible for you comfort food filled with extra butter banana bread recipe. For those of you who have been here as long as that recipe has been here, hello, I see you. And I'm gonna link my personal favorite banana bread recipe in the description box down below, or here in the cards. Okay, well that was a delightfully relaxing experience. So I'm gonna place our mashed bananas in here. Her recipe called for 3 large bananas, but I used 4 small bananas, and hopefully that's okay. Then she said to pre-mix oat milk and apple cider vinegar together, so I pre-did that. I'm gonna pour that in now. Vanilla extract, and oddly enough, olive oil, which is fun. Oh, that is so much olive oil, oh my god. Mix that together. Then coconut sugar, I'm gonna pour in. I realized today while I was sectioning these off that if I wanted to be like a professional true baker, I need more mini bowls. You know, they always have all their ingredients sectioned off into mini bowls and it looks so cute. I'm like, I wanna be professional, I need more mini bowls. Okay, then while this is still like, mixy, I'm gonna add in cinnamon. This is super weird. I went to buy cinnamon the one day and I didn't realize I had bought cinnamon seasoning with chia. What does that even mean? What is that? Why was it not just plain cinnamon? I found that so odd, but maybe like I'm being extra healthy by using the one with chia. Let me know your thoughts. Does anyone know why this weird little mixture exists? Maybe it's exclusively for acai bowls. Okay, so then I pre-mixed the flour and the baking soda, so I'm just gonna go and pour that in. Mix it all together. I forgot to preheat the oven. 350, rapid preheat, perfect. Okay, and then I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt on here. Giant. Okay, and that's the batter. Now the one thing I forgot, I don't know how this slipped my mind, but I bought regular chocolate chips. I don't even know where one would buy vegan chocolate chips. Maybe it's just chocolate and you have to chop it up, but otherwise I forgot about the chocolate. So it's just gonna be banana loaf, but we have lots of vegan butter to make it taste exceptionally tasty. So we're gonna take the pan and I shall spatula this into the loaf pan. Honestly, that was such a perfect amount for this pan. Wow. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, now I'm just gonna like flop it around a little bit. And voila! There's our banana bread. Let's put it in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes or until knife comes out clean. So guys, we're gonna pop this into the oven. Bloop. And we'll wait the hour and 10 minutes with our cocktail until the deed is done. While that's actually baking, and if you're wondering why there's so much on here, I'm actually gonna make the regular banana bread recipe as well, just in case that's a terrible fail and we actually want a snack. I did prepare backup bananas. Okay, all is not lost. But again, I already have a video, a very detailed video about my regular banana bread recipe. So I'm gonna make this while that's baking. I'll see you guys when the vegan banana loaf is done and we'll give it a taste test and see how it is. All right, friends, the time is nigh. Mask number 2. I've never actually tried this. The Ren Flash Hydro Boost. It's not a mask, but I washed the other mask off, which felt delightful, and oh, it smells like old women. Is that offensive? So I'm just gonna rub this on and have a flash, and then we'll wash it off in a few minutes. For the grand vegan reveal. Ta-da! Here we are. The reveal of the loaf. It smells good. It feels very hard. Very hard. Oh wow, it looks good. Oh my god. Hath I made bread? All right, I'm gonna place this onto a plate. We're gonna, how much butter do you like?
Okay, let's say a land amount.
That's right. So we're gonna bring Boyana into frame, our fellow quarantine family member, and we're gonna have a same time taste test here.
Oh god.
Cheers. It's awful.
It's not bad. I don't think it's bad.
It literally tastes like flour.
No, it doesn't. You put a lot of butter on it. That's really salty.
Yeah.
It's not bad. I don't think
It tastes like banana.
It does.
Like, it tastes like the exact definition of banana bread. But without the chocolate, I feel like it's lacking necessary sweetness.
You could toss some like dark chocolate in next time.
What are your thoughts out of 10?
I would say this is like a solid 8.
Wow. Okay.
I like.
Okay. Well,
Congratulations, I'm proud of you.
it's all yours. I'm gonna take my artery clogging one that's in the oven still. There you go.
Best of luck.
All right, guys. Well, it's been approximately 12 minutes and we've already finished the first loaf, almost. And the second loaf is looking divine. The vegan loaf, I'll take clogged arteries a little bit over the vegan loaf. The vegan loaf tasted like healthy banana bread in the entirety of its definition. This is like dessert. So those are the 2 recipes. Everything I've mentioned, I'll link in the description box down below. I am finished my cocktail. Therefore, this is where I shall leave you, fam. I hope you enjoyed this little baking moment with me. I hope you all have a beautiful day. And if there are any other kind of baking, cooking, quarantine videos that you want to see from me, let us know in the comments down below. Let me know if you make this banana bread recipe, either of them, and how it makes you feel. Have a beautiful evening, everyone, and I will see you all tomorrow for another video. Bye!